Today we're going to be cleaning the DryShields, and with your DryShield package you should receive a special tool to clean the insides of them. Now to clean them, you just take your DryShield after it's been used and run it under some cold water, because usually saliva will still make them nice and slimy, so you just run your brush through the opening that you see here. And just clean them out. Make sure you get all the saliva from the surface of the DryShield. Once that is done, you're going to place it in the ultrasonic shaker for about 15 minutes. Now that it's done, you can take the DryShield out. Once again, run it over in cold water to remove any excess stuff that was shaken off from the ultrasonic shaker. Now they're ready to go into the statum. Alright, using the special marking of the DryShield, you're going to mark that same size at the edge of the bag of the statum. That way you know which size is which when you're ready to use. Try to avoid marking it across the bag itself, because we have noticed from trial and error that the marker will bleed onto the DryShield itself, leaving a very unpleasant mark. Now we're just going to place it inside. And we're going to seal it. And now it's ready to go into the stack.